Hey everyone, today we're going to go through a quick little modification for the Kawasaki Ninja. It only takes about 5 minutes to do and looks really nice. For the installation, it only takes a couple of items. First is ruler, measuring tape. Second, terry cloth tower that's lint-free, and some water. There are lots of different styles to choose from. I prefer the matte black finish with the 3D look to it. The Ninja has really clean lines, and the matte black makes a nice complement to the matte black that's on the bike as well. Step 1 is you want to find the ideal location where the tank looks the best, and it's also going to protect from any of the scratches from your zippers. Next, you're going to measure for the center line position and that you have equal space on all sides of the tank pad protector. After you measure, you want to make sure the surface is clean using a lint-free terry cloth and just plain water. The final step is to remove the tape backing and then apply the tank protector directly to the tank in the areas that you identified, and apply pressure evenly for about the next 2 to 5 minutes, and then you're all done. Total installation time is about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes max, and the total cost is anywhere from about $19 to $29 for the tank protector depending on where you buy it. My preference is the matte black. If you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button below, and we'll come to you with more of the modifications to our Ninja 400.